Hello, everyone. Today I will show you how to handle automation limits in Monday.com. Many teams hit the maximum number of automations allowed, and this can slow down workflows or block new automations. First, understand your plan limits. Monday.com sets a limit based on your subscription, including the number of automations and integrations. Um, Check your plan to know how many automations you can use. Next, review existing automations. Go to Automation Center and list all active automations. Identify which ones are unnecessary or redundant. Optimize automations. Combine simple automations into multi-step automations. This reduces the total number while keeping functionality. Delete unused automations. Remove automations that no longer apply to your workflows. This frees up space for new ones. Monitor usage regularly. Automation usage can grow over time as projects scale. Review monthly to avoid hitting limits unexpectedly. Consider upgrading your plan. If your team frequently hits automation limits, a higher tier plan increases allowed automations. This is often the easiest long-term solution. So yeah, handling automation limits in Monday.com is about checking plan limits, reviewing and optimizing automations, deleting unused ones, monitoring usage, and upgrading if needed. Follow these steps and your workflows will keep running smoothly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions.